What's D is not available for this package? This stands for delivery instructions, which are optional instructions that you can provide to the delivery service, such as UPS, FedEx, or USPS, to specify where or how you want your package to be delivered. For example, you can ask the delivery service to leave your package at your front door, back porch, or with a neighbor. However, not all packages are eligible for delivery instructions. Some packages may require a signature or an in-person confirmation from the recipient, depending on the sender's preferences or the value of the package. For example, if the package is insured for over $500, requires an adult signature, or was shipped as registered mail, you may not be able to provide delivery instructions online. If you see the message D is not available for this package, it means that either the package does not need a signature or you have to provide a signature in person. In other words, you cannot change the delivery location or authorize the delivery release online. You may have to wait for the delivery person to arrive at your address and sign for the package yourself, or arrange a pickup at a nearby location.